Good morning. Next topic is laws of reflection. Laws of reflection. In 9th standard you studied about the laws of reflection of sound. The same thing is here for light also. Okay, the same thing is there for the light also. So that is first one, angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Normally angle of incidence is represented by the letter I, small letter I. Angle of reflection is represented by the letter small letter R. So angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection means this angle and this angle. This angle and this angle, that is equal. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection, that is angle I equal to angle R. Angle I equal to angle R. That is the first law. Second one, the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal at the point of incidence should lie in the same plane. The incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal at the point of incidence should lie in the same plane. Means this is the incident ray, it's a reflected ray, that's a normal at the point of incidence. All these one should lie in the same plane. All these one should lie in the same plane. Incident ray, reflected ray, this is the incident ray, this one is a reflected ray. Reflected ray and the normal at the point of incidence should lie in the same plane. It's an incident ray, it's a reflected ray, this one is a normal, it should at the point of incidence should lie in the same plane, should lie in the same plane. That's the second law of reflection of light. Then suppose if this angle is 30 degree, angle of incidence is 30 degree, that is the angle between the incident ray and the normal is 30 degree. What will be the angle of reflection? Angle of reflection is also 30 degree. Angle of reflection is also 30 degree. Now, when a ray of light is incident normally, that is at right angles on a mirror, means the incident ray coincides with the mirror. Means this one is a mirror surface, this one is a incident ray. This is a mirror surface and this one is the incident ray. The incident ray is meeting the mirror at the point of incidence, means along with the normal. Incident ray and the normal is in the same line. Okay, this is the normal. Along the normal, the incident ray meets the mirror. So, what is the angle of incidence? Angle of incidence is equal to 0. Angle of incidence is equal to 0. So, angle of reflection also 0. Angle of reflection also 0 means it will retrace the same path. It will retrace the same path. Now, what are the characteristics of the image formed by a plane mirror? What are the characteristics of the image formed by a plane mirror? First thing, it always forms virtual image. It always forms virtual image means that image we cannot see on a screen. We cannot see that image on a screen, okay, or on a paper or on a wall of the building. We can't see that image. The image formed by a plane mirror is virtual, means we cannot cast it on the screen. Second one, it's erect. It's erect, means in the same way. If I place this pencil in front of the mirror, the image will also in the same way, okay, not upside down, okay, in the same way, that is erect. Then image is laterally inverted, that is left right inversion will be there, okay, left right inversion will be there, that is known as lateral inversion. Then size of the image is same as that of the object. The object size and the image size is same, equal. Object size and the image size is same. The image formed is as far behind the mirror as the object is in front of it. If an image is placed 5 cm in front of the mirror, if an object is placed 5 cm in front of the mirror, the image formed on that mirror will be 5 cm behind the mirror. 5 cm behind the mirror. Now, one question is there. The angle between the incident ray and the normal to the surface is 40 degree. This angle is 40 degree. Okay, this angle is 40 degree. What is the angle of reflection and angle of incidence? Angle of incidence, this angle, the angle between incident ray and the normal to the surface of the mirror is 40 degree. So, this angle is 40 degree. So, angle of incidence is angle between incident ray and the normal. So, that is 40 degree. Now, what is the angle of reflection? That is angle between reflected ray and normal. That is also 40 degree as per the laws of reflection of light. As per the laws of reflection of light. Yeah. If an object is placed at a distance of 3 meter in front of a plane mirror, how far away it be from its image? How far away it be from its image, or how far the image will be formed from the object? Yeah, this one is the mirror. This one is the object and this one is the image. If the distance between the object and the mirror is 3 meter, the distance between the mirror and the image is also 3 meter. This is the mirror, this one is the object, this one is the image. If the distance between the object and the mirror is 3 meter. In this question is given 3 meter. The distance between the mirror and its image will be also 3 meter. That is the last point I explained in the characteristics of the image formed by a plane mirror. The distance between the object and the mirror is equal to the distance between the image and the mirror. That two distance will be same. Here in this question, It's given 3 meter. So, the distance between the mirror and the object is 3 meter. The distance between the mirror and that image will be also 3 meter. Now, what's the distance between the object and its image? Object and its image. So, 3 plus 3, that is 6 meter. Now, if the size of this object is 2 centimeter. The size of this object is 2 centimeter. Then the image size is also 2 centimeter. Okay. The image size is also 2 centimeter. The size of the object is same as that of the image size. Okay. If the object is 2 centimeter in height, then the image is also 2 centimeter in height. Okay.